How to make a magic 8-ball in Python using the random module and like other stuff. You have to have a code or text editor installed, not Notepad, like something like VS Code. And you'll need on the latest version of Python, which is right now, the one I'm using is Python 3.14.4. So let's just get started with the video. So first you'll import random, because it's like that's what the first thing you do. And now that we have imported random, we need to get the user's input on what they want the Magic8Ball to tell them. So user equal input. Sorry, it's hard to type because I have a keyboard right in front of me. So yeah, now let's just type in what do you want the answer to. Yeah, and add a space to the end. Now we're gonna get the AI or random like thing from the actual Magic8Ball. So we're gonna make one called lies, and we're gonna add certain. And after you can add whatever you want in here. I'm just gonna do what they normally do. And after certain, you can do maybe, and you can do, and then after that you can do definite no. Okay, now that you've done that, we're gonna get the final answer for the Magic8Ball called lie, because it's the lie. Lie equals random dot choice. Lies. Yeah, so you get a random answer. So you pick a random one of these three here. And now after that you just wanna print lie. And now you just wanna run your code. Wait, how do you run it again? And run your code. Is the sky blue? It said maybe. So yeah, that's how you make a random 8-ball in Python. This is not really meant to show you how to make a random 8-ball. It's just meant to show you like the bare bones of random in Python. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and please watch my other videos. Bye.